Namaskar and welcome. You're watching the Awaz and I am Janvi Parekh with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. Amount of rupees 49.42 crore for 33,216 daughters of Uttarakhand. Bharatiya Janata Party is putting on an effort for the daughters of Uttarakhand state. The state government has released an amount of 49.42 crores for 33,216 daughters of the state. In a tweet, the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has mentioned 33,216 girls who were deprived of Nanda Gaura Yojana between year 2015 and 2017 will now get its benefits, for which the amount of rupees 49.42 crore will be released. The step towards Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao will definitely prove helpful in the development of the state. Congressmen reached Uttarakhand Assembly by cycling. On the fourth day of the Uttarakhand Assembly monsoon session, there may be a huge stir outside the Vidhan Sabha. Congress MLAs reached Uttarakhand Vidhan Sabha today by cycling. Leaders of the opposition, Pritam Singh, said that the Congress will raise the issues of inflation from the road to the house. This is the third day of the monsoon level of Vidhan Sabha in Uttarakhand, and there is a complete atmosphere of heat outside the house. After the supplementary budget, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami got the appropriation bill passed in the House on Wednesday, while 3 out of the 6 bills placed by the government were passed. Big announcements were also made in the interest of the employees, while today many organizations are going to assembly. On Thursday, Congress MLAs and several workers reached the assemblies cycling on the roads, opposing the rising prices of the petrol, diesel and gas. The Congress said that the issue would be raised at every forum across the state. Many organizations have reached the assembly today with their demands, in which the workers of Anganwadi Workers, Sevika Karmachari Union and Land Ordinance Act Abhinandan will also be involved. It is being told that in the line with the arrangement of Himachal Pradesh, the demand for strengthening the land law will also be raised in Uttarakhand. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami alerted the officials regarding the continuous rains in the state. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami inspected the State Disaster Management Center at the Secretariat in the view of the incessant rains in the state. Along with this, during the meeting, he also directed the officials to remain alert for 24 hours. He also inquired about the completion, dispatch and coordination of the districts, etc. from other officials including Secretary Disaster Management S.A. Murugesan. Chief Minister Dhami asked the high officials and officials of other departments to form WhatsApp groups so that the information about the disaster situation and relief work can be shared and action can be taken easily. All 3 roads of the China border closed. Stones fell on the roads due to the heavy rains in Pithoragarh. Due to the incessant rains, problems are increasing in the mountain areas of Uttarakhand. Due to heavy rains in many areas of Pithoragarh district, traffic is being affected due to the stone falling on many roads. Stones and debris are falling due to the heavy rains in Tanakpur Tawaghat Highway, Thai Munisiari Road, Didi Hat and Dharchula Tehsils of the district. Due to the heavy rains, the water level of Kali River is continuously increasing. Let us tell you that Tawaghat Dharma, Tawaghat Garbhadhar, Lipu Lake and Munisiari Milam roads connecting the China border in Pithoragarh districts have been closed. The Meteorological Department has issued an alert of heavy rain today for 2 days. After heavy rains in Uttarakhand, there has been a disaster-like situations in many districts of the state. Many roads including the national highways have also been closed due to the landslides after the rains. Relief and rescue work is being done by the administration, but due to the rains, the rescue team were themselves trapped in the rains. In the afternoon shift, 2 out of 5 employees could reach the control room. The reason for the absence of an employee was poor health, while the other 2 employees could not come due to the heavy rains. There is a lot of displeasure among the senior councillors of the municipal corporation about this matter. The Meteorological Department has issued an alert of heavy rain on August 26th for 2 days. Thank you. Keep watching the Awaz for the latest updates.